For homeowners in Redington Beach, Florida, the windows in your home do far more than frame your view of the Gulf. They protect against Florida's intense sun, humidity, and storm season, all while contributing to your comfort, safety, and energy bills. While it may be tempting to choose lower-cost options when it comes time for replacement, the truth is that high-quality windows deliver long-term value that far outweighs the initial investment. Protection against Florida's coastal climate. Redington Beach homes face unique environmental challenges: salt air, high humidity, and the risk of hurricanes. Cheap or outdated windows often don't hold up against these conditions, leading to early deterioration and costly repairs. Corrosion resistance. High-quality vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum frames are designed to withstand salt air without warping or rusting. Impact resistance. Advanced glass options protect against flying debris during storm season. Weather sealing. Strong seals prevent water intrusion, which is critical in protecting your home's interior from mold and structural damage. By choosing premium windows, you're not just buying glass, you're buying resilience. Significant energy savings. Energy efficiency is one of the biggest returns on investment when upgrading to high-quality windows. Double or triple pane glass creates an insulating barrier, reducing heat transfer. Low E coatings reflect UV rays and infrared light, helping to keep interiors cooler without overworking your air conditioning. Tight seals and frames minimize drafts and air leakage, lowering monthly utility bills. With Florida's long, hot summers, efficient windows can save Redington Beach homeowners hundreds of dollars each year on cooling costs, making them a smart financial choice. Enhanced comfort. Year-round high-quality windows don't just cut energy bills, they also improve your day-to-day living experience. Consistent indoor temperatures. No more hot spots near poorly insulated windows. Reduced glare. Advanced coatings let in natural light while softening the harsh Florida sun. Noise reduction. Multi-pane windows block out traffic and neighborhood noise, creating a more peaceful home environment. These upgrades enhance your comfort whether you're entertaining guests, working from home, or simply enjoying the view. Boosting curb appeal and property value. Windows are one of the most noticeable features of your home's exterior. High-quality replacements elevate both style and value. Modern designs. From sleek casement windows to elegant picture windows, design choices can complement Redington Beach's diverse architectural styles. Color and finish options. Durable finishes resist fading from the sun while enhancing your home's curb appeal. Increased resale value. Buyers in Florida are drawn to homes with energy-efficient, storm-ready windows, knowing they won't have to shoulder that upgrade themselves. Simply put, stylish, durable windows make your home more attractive both now and when it's time to sell. Safety and peace of mind. High-quality windows add another layer of protection for your home and family. Impact glass not only protects during storms but also makes break-ins more difficult. Durable locks and frames reinforce your home's security. UV protection blocks harmful rays, keeping your furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading. With professional installation, your windows provide safety as well as long-term durability. Final thoughts. Investing in high-quality Redington Beach windows is about more than aesthetics. It's about long-term performance, savings, and peace of mind. From withstanding Florida's challenging climate to lowering energy costs, improving comfort, and boosting property value, premium windows pay off for years to come. If your windows are outdated, drafty, or showing signs of wear, now is the perfect time to consider an upgrade. With the right materials, features, and professional installation, your new windows will transform your Redington Beach home into a safer, more efficient, and more beautiful space that's built to last.